Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reset all camera setting on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our camera application. And after we have our camera application opened, we can go to the camera setting. Just click on the settings icon on the top left. And after that, you have to scroll down until you find the reset settings option. Okay, this one. Click on this reset settings option and you will get this question. And if you want to reset all your camera setting, you just need to click on this reset. Okay, and after that, your camera will be back to its default setting. Alright guys, and that's how we can reset all camera setting in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.